Planning a big trip sounds like fun, until it's time to actually plan it. Welcome back to Aaron Rambles On. I'll be honest, I love planning trips, because it's like shopping, and I am a total geek when it comes to maps. Wanderlust has been bursting from me for nearly 30 years, but it's also extremely overwhelming. And many travel influencers don't make it much easier with book this way, hack your way through to that, and you have to have everything on my Amazon list to win at travel. Suddenly you're comparing dozens of flights, reading hundreds of hotel reviews, trying to figure out trains, buses, airport transfers, travel insurance, local customs, and wondering if you're forgetting something important. For some travelers, that's part of the adventure. But for many people, it quickly becomes stressful. What surprises a lot of travelers is that planning everything yourself doesn't always save money. In fact, it can sometimes cost more. When you're booking on your own, you're paying retail prices for flights, hotels, transportation, and activities. It's also easier to make expensive mistakes, like choosing accommodations that are far from public transportation, paying for unnecessary taxis, or booking connections that don't work well together. Then there are the things you don't always think about ahead of time. If you're traveling through multiple cities, how will your luggage get from one place to the next? If a train is delayed or a transfer falls through, who do you call? If you don't speak the local language, even simple situations can become challenging. That's one reason organized tours have remained so popular. And tour doesn't necessarily mean racing from one attraction to the next on a crowded bus. Today there are tours designed for almost every travel style. Some are adventure-focused, with hiking, kayaking, or wildlife experiences. Others are built around food, history, photography, or wellness. There are small group tours, private tours, river cruises, and self-guided tours that let you travel independently while someone else handles the hotels, transportation, and logistics behind the scenes. For destinations where you're unfamiliar with the language, transportation system, or local customs, having that extra support can make a huge difference. Instead of worrying about the details, you can spend more time actually enjoying the experience. Of course, tour packages aren't the right choice for everyone. Some travelers genuinely enjoy planning every detail themselves, and that's perfectly okay. But if you've been putting off a dream trip because the planning feels overwhelming, it might be worth looking at a tour package before deciding to do everything yourself. I've included a tourradar link in the description below. It lets you compare thousands of tours from operators all over the world, from fully guided adventures to flexible self-guided trips, so you can see what fits your travel style and budget. Sometimes the best part of a vacation isn't doing everything yourself. It's arriving knowing that the hard part has already been taken care of.